I'll make you an offer. I'll give you $700,000. I want a 10% royalty. That drops down to 7 after I recoup the $700,000, and I get 5% of the company's equity today.
Respectfully, Mr. Wonderful, we're going to decline.
Welcome back to After the Tank, where we look at what happened to companies after they appeared on Shark Tank. This is probably one of the coolest ones yet. This was a company called Doorbot that basically had a camera on your doorbell, which allowed you to see visitors on your phone. Anyway, he asked for $700,000 for 10% of the company, but nobody wanted to give it to him. The only person who wanted to invest was Kevin, but he offered him a very oddly structured deal, which he refused. His appearance on the show did lead in a small boost of sales that was just barely enough to keep the company afloat. And then none other than Richard Branson, the billionaire who owns Virgin Group, hit him up. And less than a year later, the billionaire supported another financing round for the company, which brought them $28 million in funds. And then the company became such a big success that Amazon bought them out for $1 billion.